Power off the device. Detach the scanner tip from the handle. Insert the protective cover into the handle to prevent damage and dust ingress. Carefully inspect the scanner tip lens if having cracks, damage, or scratches. Clean all surfaces gently with a soft cloth dampened with mild pH-neutral soapy water. Repeat twice 3 minutes each. Rinse thoroughly with distilled water is greater than or equal to 3 minutes. Dry carefully with lens paper, lint-free cloth, or a dryer. Re-inspect the lens surface to ensure proper cleaning and no damage. Insert non-woven fabric inside the scanning tip. Seal in a sterilization pouch. Sterilize in an autoclave, 13 for C, 273.2 F, for 4 minutes, followed by a 30-minute drying cycle. Open the autoclave and remove the scanning tip.